Today we dive into the subject of unleashing your wealth mindset. This is not a journey of accumulating mountains of money, rather it's understanding how to attract, manage, and sustain wealth. A wealth mindset forms the bedrock of financial success. It's a mental framework that favors prosperity, abundance, and creative financial solutions over scarcity, limitations, and roadblocks. This mindset is not bestowed upon a select few, it's available to everyone. The importance of this mindset cannot be overstated. It's the engine that drives financial success, the guide that directs your monetary decisions, and the fuel that keeps you moving forward even when the road gets rough. It's not simply having money, but understanding how to attract it, how to grow it, and how to use it as a tool to create the life you desire. The wealth mindset is not a magical thinking or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a conscious commitment to a lifetime of learning, growth, and adaptation in the realm of personal finance. Also, understanding that wealth is not just about the balance in your bank account, but about the value you bring to the world, and the value you allow yourself to receive in return. The foundation of a wealth mindset is built on a few key pillars. Cultivating a positive attitude towards money, setting clear financial goals, embracing financial education, and taking calculated risks. It's understanding that wealth is not a finite resource, but an abundant flow that you can tap into with the right knowledge, skills, and attitude. In the grand scheme of things, a wealth mindset is about creating a lifestyle that attracts and sustains wealth, transforming your relationship with money from one of stress and scarcity to one of abundance and freedom. It's about making money work for you, not the other way around. Remember, a wealth mindset is creating a lifestyle that attracts and sustains it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Understanding the difference between a wealth mindset and a poverty mindset is crucial. This is not merely a comparison of two differing attitudes toward money, but rather, it's an exploration of two fundamentally different ways of looking at the world. A wealth mindset is characterized by an outlook of abundance and opportunity. It's the belief that there's always more where that came from, that the world is full of opportunities just waiting to be seized. This mindset focuses on growth, on the belief that there are always ways to generate more wealth, to create more value, to expand and improve. It's a mindset of optimism, resilience, and creativity, where challenges are seen as opportunities for growth and setbacks are viewed as temporary hurdles on the path to success. In contrast, a poverty mindset is consumed by a sense of scarcity and limitation. It's the belief that there's never enough to go around, that opportunities are few and far between, and that one must hoard and protect what little they have. This mindset is often driven by fear and insecurity, and it can lead to a life of constant worry and struggle. It's a mindset of stagnation where growth is seen as risky and change is viewed with suspicion. The wealth mindset and the poverty mindset are not just about money. They're about how you view the world, how you approach problems, and how you react to opportunities. They shape your decisions, your actions, and ultimately, your outcomes. Transitioning from a poverty mindset to a wealth mindset isn't a matter of simply changing your thoughts. It's changing your beliefs, your attitudes, and your behaviors. Shifting your focus from what you lack to what you can create. It's also learning to see the world not as a place of scarcity, but as a place of endless opportunity. And most importantly, understanding that wealth is having options, freedom, and having the ability to create value and make a positive impact. The shift from a poverty mindset to a wealth mindset is a journey of personal growth and development. It's a journey that can transform not just your financial situation but your entire life. The power of positive thinking plays a significant role in developing a wealth mindset. Just as sunlight breathes life into a blossoming flower, positive thinking energizes your ambitions, driving you towards your financial goals. Consider this: your mind is like a supercomputer, and your thoughts are the commands it follows. If you constantly dwell on negative thoughts, your actions and decisions will mirror that negativity, ultimately leading to undesirable outcomes. However, if you choose to focus on positive thoughts, you're programming your mind to seek opportunities, to strive for success, and to embrace prosperity. Now, let's talk about affirmations and visualization. Two powerful tools in maintaining a positive mindset. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you overcome self-sabotaging thoughts. They work by replacing the negative chatter in your mind with positive mantras. Imagine waking up each day saying to yourself, "I am capable, I am successful, I am wealthy." Over time, these affirmations can significantly change your mindset and your life. Visualization, on the other hand, is the practice of imagining your desired outcome. It's like a mental rehearsal where you picture yourself achieving your financial goals. This practice can strengthen your motivation and increase your determination to make that vision a reality. However, it's crucial to remember that positive thinking isn't naively ignoring life's problems. It's approaching these difficulties from a more hopeful and productive perspective, believing you can overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. For more info, don't forget to click the links in our description box below. It's also worth noting that positive thinking isn't a magic wand that will instantly fill your bank account. It's a mindset that guides your actions and decisions towards wealth and prosperity. A journey where each step you take, each positive thought you nurture, brings you closer to your financial goals. In the grand scheme of things, positive thinking is a way of life, and a tool that, when wielded properly, can help you attract wealth and prosperity into your life. Now, let's get practical. Here are some steps you can take to develop a wealth mindset. Firstly, setting financial goals is a crucial step. What does wealth look like to you? Is it owning a house, being debt-free, or having a certain amount in your bank account? Once you've defined your financial goals, write them down. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Next, educate yourself about finances. Wealth is managing it well. Read books, listen to podcasts, or take online courses. Understand the basics of budgeting, investing, and taxes. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it can be the power to create wealth. Thirdly, practice gratitude. It might seem unrelated to wealth, but gratitude can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. This positive focus can help you identify opportunities and make better financial decisions. So start a gratitude journal or simply take a few moments each day to acknowledge what you're thankful for. Another important step is to surround yourself with positive influences. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If those people have a poverty mindset, it's going to be tough for you to develop a wealth mindset. So find people who inspire you, who think big, and who encourage you to do the same. Cultivate a growth mindset. Believe that you can improve, that you can learn, and that you can overcome challenges. This belief will fuel your journey towards wealth, keeping you motivated and resilient in the face of setbacks. Remember, developing a wealth mindset is a process, and these steps are just the beginning. As we delve into the heart of this subject matter, it becomes increasingly clear that the power to achieve financial success lies within the wealth mindset. It's not some obscure, elusive concept. It's a real, tangible shift in perception that allows you to view money not as a scarce resource, but as an abundant one. This mindset doesn't just happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and the will to challenge long-standing beliefs about wealth. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Imagine living a life where financial stress is a thing of the past, where opportunities for wealth creation are abundant, and where you're in full control of your financial destiny. Unleashing your wealth mindset is embracing a new perspective on money and wealth, understanding that you have the power to attract and manage wealth. So don't forget to like and subscribe as you embark on this exciting journey.